Do you know where Otley is? As you leave Leeds and head northwest, the urban landscapes gradually give way to more suburban zones. Then rolling farmland, green fields, hedgerows, small woodlands. You'll pass through or near villages like Burley in Wharfedale, Menston, Pool-in-Wharfedale. These places offer signs of rural living but still with commuter connections to Leeds. The River Wharfe may come into view, especially as you get closer to Otley. Riverside banks, weirs, maybe flooded gravel pits, former quarries, turned into wildlife or leisure spots. Elevated views from hillsides. Otley Chevin is visible from certain angles, giving sweeping views over the valley and countryside. On a clear day, you might see moors or distant hills. Traditional Yorkshire architecture, stone walls, barns, older farmhouses, small churches, cottages. As you enter Otley, cobbled or older streets, historic buildings, small shops, river bridges, green parks by the water. Otley is a market town in Lower Wharfedale, West Yorkshire. It's about 10 to 13 miles northwest of Leeds city centre. As of the 2011 census, population was about 13,668 within the official civil parish. More recent estimates put it around 14,000 to 15,000 residents. Otley has a long history as a market town. Some claims, birthplace of Thomas Chippendale, furniture designer. Lots of walking, countryside and river trails. The Chevin Forest Park provides woodland, ridges, elevated views. The river and floodplains add to wildlife spots. Regular bus services from Leeds and surrounding towns, e.g. the X84 is a main fast link. Thanks for watching this quick review of Otley. Hit like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more videos. Otley really is a stunning spot.